Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm here with RPGShow here once more. Today I got it in a drawstring bag, branded RPGShow, as you can see. And there's also a box. So let's see what we got. Ooh, this is nicely packaged. Came in a tissue paper. Branded RPGShow and everything. Okay, before we look into that. Oh, this is giving me luxury vibes. The way they gave this little card here, you get your little bill, your invoice. It's nice. Oh, and it is the invoice. So this is just the information about the wig on the inside here. I like it. Very, yeah, like that. And I also got a wig cap. Lastly, in the box, I got this bag. You can store your wig in after you cleanse it and stuff. It's branded RPGShow. And that's everything. Okay, I love this. Guys, I know since recently, I've showed you guys quite a bit of these highlighted wigs. But I'm just giving you variety, I promise. Okay, so today we have this one here. It is a nice 20-inch silky texture lace front wig. It's a glueless lace front. It's 200% in density, and it's a tinted transparent Swiss lace, medium brown Swiss lace. That is lace front wig. It has RPGShow branded on the inside there, and it also has adjustable straps in the back and extra elastic band sewn inside the cap. Really nice construction. It also has a total of 3 combs on the inside, and it is a center part. It looks really good. Then the hairline is also nicely pre-plucked. So that is really, I love the ash vibe I'm getting here. It's definitely not brassy at all. One thing it can be guaranteed when you get like wigs from RPGShow is that it will be amazing quality. Amazing quality. And from just looking at this, it just looks so good. So good. So I might not even need to do anything to this, because you see how nicely curled this already comes and everything. Like, this is a beautiful body wave vibe. And I'm just so excited to go ahead and install it right now. It's also a medium cap size, so just in case you're wondering, and I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications in the description box. So let's go ahead and install this.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role.
So guys, before I go any further, I had to pause to show you the lace. I'm about to go in and proceed to just cut off the extra lace. But Swiss always wins for me. It just always win. So I've shown you guys 3 wigs that look similar to, well, 2 other wigs that look similar to this, and it's all different stuff that I'm showcasing for the 3. The first one, it was just truly me styling it, and the second one was, it came all customized and styled already out the package. This one, all of them, by the way, the lace for all of them being good, but this one specifically, this is the only Swiss lace one that I've gotten, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and I had to highlight that for you. Swiss lace always win. The reason why I love it so It's the thinnest of all the laces that you can possibly use for a lace wig, and so it comes off more natural. You know, like how some laces you can definitely look and say, oh, okay, that person is wearing a wig. This melts down way nicer and it's just way more undetectable. So I really just, and I've done quite a bit of videos just showing you the difference, you know, with all the laces and all of that. So if you've been sticking around for a while, you would know. So yeah, just going in, and I'm gonna, you know, when you cut the area there, it usually leave that cast look. So, you know, you just go back in with a little bit of your got to be and tap that in. Not a lot of work to just have it looking super like natural. It's so pretty. I love the color job. Like, I love the color job. There's nothing else you need to do with the color because it looks so good. So now I removed all the extra lace, and you know the funny thing, again, I'm not gonna do any swoops on today's wig. I really want to show off. I know since recently I haven't done any swoops, any baby hair, and I know some of you prefer that, and I love that too. I genuinely love my swoops, but today I'm really, you know, I'm just not in the vibe right now. You know, I'm gonna use my wax stick and my hot comb for this. So
now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same. She's such a rare type.
guys, you see how flawless that is? And you notice how the cast is like, I don't even know if you can see a cast. Like, it's barely, like, in comparison to like last wig that I installed that's similar to this, the cast was way more visible, and so I fixed it with makeup and everything. You know, you can't always finesse it, yeah, but with the Swiss lace now, it's like, you know, way less work. And then these gorgeous waves are already in there. So when I am like through with like getting glammed and such, I'm just gonna, you know, add back some light bumps in the front only with my curling iron, because I like this messy vibe going on in the back with the waves. So yeah, it's looking so good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of layer the front and then put some curls just in this part.
She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under a type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
Why this one don't ever fall that way?
What is early and next video?
It never wanna fall that way.
You want me to try? Was it the next video? No, it's the one that you have to come outside and do.
Oh my god, it's you gotta hold it together.
So, right?
Yeah, make sure you put it up.
Up here,
Okay,
so?
okay, yeah.
And then?
No! Oh my gosh, she just
Well, yes, what man do it?
wait, hold on, guys, you see this? Wait, oh my
Brush
god.
off the top. Make it
Wait, now?
come on. Alright, what am I do?
You need to flick it. You put it in the opposite direction. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait, Nashami. It's not a wand. Okay. All right. Do your thing. Lock it down, Nashami. Lock it down now gradually. All right. Go on through. Okay. All right. This should work. Lock it down now. Lock it down. Let's it go.
It's locked down.
Okay.
It work?
It worked.
Give him a prize. I'm gonna put this.
Okay. Shout out to my sister. She helped with that curl. That curl always wants to go in the next direction.
Curly.
That was the only portion I curled, guys. Like I recurled. Yes, it's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Okay, absolutely no baby hairs. Absolutely none. Shout out to RPGShow. You did it, and I love the color job. It's like it's highlighted right throughout the wig, but as it gets to the end, it's like really nice and like highlighted, but more of a ash blonde, like ash dark blonde kind of vibe. It is giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm going to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box as usual. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click that link, get this wig if you want to get it. Fall is coming, and I feel like this color is perfect for it. You know, pair this up with a nice dark lip. You got your boots, you got your coat, and you're good to go. It's just a vibe, you know. Add a little bit of highlight in a day of gloominess. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. That is it. If you want one of the most realistic wig looks and wig hairline, definitely always grab a Swiss lace wig. You can't go wrong with it. Cannot. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Help a girl hit 100K, road to 100K, giveaway going on over there. Once I hit 100K, that's it. So just go and pick up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know.